Are you tired of relying on medication to manage your high blood pressure? You're not alone. Many people believe that popping pills is the only way to keep their blood pressure under control. But what if I told you there's a natural, delicious, and simple solution that could help you lower your blood pressure instantly? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 teas that can do just that, naturally and effectively. We all know how crucial it is to manage our blood pressure, but most of us think the only way to do so is through medication. What if I told you that the answer could be as simple as drinking the right tea? That's right. Certain teas have the power to lower blood pressure instantly, offering a natural way to protect your heart. But there's a catch. Not all teas are created equal. Curious to find out which ones make the cut? Keep watching, because the teas I'm about to share with you might just change the way you think about managing your blood pressure. And remember, the most surprising part comes at the end. Number 1. Hibiscus tea. Many people struggle with stubbornly high blood pressure despite trying various diets and medications, feeling frustrated and hopeless. You might think that only strong medication can bring those numbers down effectively, and natural remedies are just too weak. Hibiscus tea can lower your systolic blood pressure by an average of 7 points instantly. This tea works by dilating blood vessels and improving circulation. Research even suggests that the effect of hibiscus tea can be as potent as some medications. But here's the kicker. Could drinking hibiscus tea daily make medication unnecessary? You'll want to find out how it compares by trying it yourself. Keep watching, because at the end of this video, we'll reveal how to maximize these effects. Number 2. Green tea. We often feel stuck with high cholesterol and high blood pressure, believing they're an inevitable part of aging that we can't escape. Most people think that managing cholesterol and blood pressure requires separate treatments, involving both medications and strict diets. Green tea does both. It's packed with catechins that lower blood pressure and cholesterol simultaneously. These powerful antioxidants improve the flexibility of your arteries, making it easier for blood to flow freely. But there's a secret. What happens when you combine green tea with a heart-healthy diet? The results might surprise you, so stick around until the end to discover the best ways to incorporate this tea into your routine. Number 3. Oolong tea. Stress and anxiety are major contributors to high blood pressure, and many of us rely on medications or unhealthy habits to keep calm. You might think that only prescription drugs can reduce stress-related hypertension and keep your blood pressure in check. Oolong tea has a unique ability to lower stress and blood pressure in one soothing cup. It contains polyphenols that improve heart health while calming the mind, making it a dual-action remedy. But here's the twist. How does it stack up against your usual stress relievers? You'll want to give it a try to see if it can replace your current methods. And don't miss the end of the video where we'll reveal the best times to drink these teas for maximum benefits. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover these natural solutions for better health. Let's keep going. Number 4. Chamomile tea. Many people think that nighttime is when blood pressure problems magically disappear. But that's not always the case. Your blood pressure can spike during sleep. You might believe that sleep is the only way to relax your body and mind enough to lower blood pressure naturally. Chamomile tea not only helps you sleep, but also works actively to lower blood pressure by promoting relaxation and reducing inflammation. Its mild sedative effect ensures a restful night, but it's doing much more behind the scenes. But is it more effective than your typical nightcap? You might be surprised at the calming power of chamomile compared to your usual routine. Stay with us until the end, where we'll reveal how to integrate chamomile into your daily life for the best results. Number 5. Rooibos tea. Inflammation is a hidden factor that contributes to high blood pressure, yet many people don't even realize it's happening inside their bodies. You may think that addressing inflammation requires complex dietary changes, expensive supplements, or both. Rooibos tea tackles inflammation head-on, naturally reducing blood pressure without the need for a complete diet overhaul. This caffeine-free tea is rich in antioxidants like aspartame, which specifically target inflammation. But could this simple tea replace your supplements and give you peace of mind? There's only one way to find out, by giving it a try. And don't forget to watch until the end, where we'll discuss how to pair rooibos with other teas for a synergistic effect. If you're enjoying this content and know someone who could benefit from these heart-healthy teas, go ahead and share this video with them. Sharing is a great way to help others discover these natural remedies. Number 6. Black tea. You're drinking tea, but your blood pressure isn't budging. What's going wrong? Could it be that not all teas are created equal? Many people think that all teas are beneficial for lowering blood pressure, but that's not entirely true. Some teas can even have the opposite effect. Black tea, specifically, is rich in flavonoids that have a direct impact on blood pressure. These compounds improve blood vessel function and can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. But here's the question: how does black tea compare to your favorite herbal blends? The answer might make you rethink your daily brew, and make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll reveal how black tea can be combined with other habits to amplify its benefits. Number 7. Hawthorn tea. Chronic high blood pressure often leads to serious heart problems, and the options for natural remedies seem limited or ineffective. You might think that herbal remedies are too weak to combat serious cardiovascular issues, especially something as complex as hypertension. Hawthorn tea has been a trusted heart remedy for centuries, with compounds that not only lower blood pressure but also strengthen the heart muscle. This tea increases blood flow to the heart, reduces arterial stiffness, and can even help with symptoms of heart failure. But what's the long-term impact? You'll want to see the results for yourself by incorporating it into your daily routine. And don't miss the final part of this video, where we'll discuss how hawthorn can be a game changer in your overall heart health strategy. Now that we've explored each of these powerful teas, it's time to reveal the answers to the intriguing questions we posed at the end of each item. Stick around as we uncover the surprising truths behind how these teas can truly impact your blood pressure and heart health. 1. Hibiscus tea. You've been wondering if drinking hibiscus tea daily could replace your blood pressure medication. The answer? For many, hibiscus tea is so effective that it can significantly reduce the need for medication. However, always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication. Combining hibiscus tea with a healthy lifestyle might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. 2. Green tea. Curious about what happens when you combine green tea with a heart-healthy diet? The combination can be a game changer. Studies show that pairing green tea with foods rich in healthy fats, like avocados and nuts, enhances its ability to lower both blood pressure and cholesterol, offering even more protection for your heart. 3. Oolong tea. You were wondering if oolong tea could replace your usual stress relievers. The truth is, oolong tea's calming properties are so effective that many people find it a better option than sugary snacks or even some medications. By making oolong tea a part of your daily routine, you can naturally lower your stress and blood pressure without relying on less healthy alternatives. 4. Chamomile tea. You've been asking whether chamomile is more effective than your typical nightcap. The answer is yes. Chamomile tea not only helps you sleep, but also actively works to lower your blood pressure as you rest. It's a double win: better sleep and better blood pressure management, making chamomile a perfect evening companion. 5. Rooibos tea. Could rooibos tea really replace your inflammation-fighting supplements? Absolutely. Rooibos is packed with antioxidants that specifically target inflammation, making it a powerful natural alternative. When paired with a balanced diet, rooibos tea can provide the same, if not better, anti-inflammatory effects as some over-the-counter supplements. 6. Black tea. You wondered how black tea stacks up against your favorite herbal blends. The answer? Black tea's flavonoid content gives it a unique edge in lowering blood pressure. While herbal teas offer various benefits, black tea's direct impact on blood vessel function makes it particularly effective. By making black tea a staple in your diet, You can enjoy its powerful benefits while still sipping on your favorite herbal infusions. 7. Hawthorn tea. What about the long-term impact of hawthorn tea? Hawthorn isn't just a short-term fix, it's a long-term heart health ally. Regular consumption of hawthorn tea has been shown to improve heart function over time, reduce arterial stiffness, and even alleviate some symptoms of heart failure. Incorporating it into your daily routine can be a game changer for your cardiovascular health, offering natural support that grows stronger the longer you use it. So, there you have it. 7 powerful teas that can help you instantly lower your blood pressure and protect your heart. From the vibrant hibiscus to the calming chamomile, each of these teas offers a unique benefit that can make a significant difference in your health. The key takeaway: managing blood pressure doesn't have to rely solely on medication. With the right teas, you can support your cardiovascular health naturally and deliciously. Now that you've discovered these 7 amazing teas, why not try incorporating them into your daily routine? Share your experiences in the comments below. Did you notice a difference in your blood pressure? And before you go, if you're serious about lowering your blood pressure, you won't want to miss our next video. Eating these fruits lowers blood pressure fast. Imagine the transformation when you combine these powerful teas with the right fruits. You could see results faster than you ever thought possible. Click on the video to learn more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with HealthFlex. Cheers to better health.